Are you tired of boring, lifeless hot dogs? I've got your solution right here with these 3 delicious hot dog topping alternatives. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I've got the recipes coming for you right now. As the title implies, we're going to make a Reuben sandwich inspired hot dog. We're going to start with our hot dog rolls, and on that, let's place 1 to 1.5 ounces of thin sliced deli pastrami. Then let's place our hot dog on top. I am using Zweigel Red Hots. Add as much sauerkraut to your personal preference as you would like. And then we're going to add just a little bit of shredded Swiss cheese down in the crack here. On top of our dog, we're going to spread a little bit of Russian, or I'm using a Thousand Island dressing because sometimes Russian dressing can be hard to find. Then let us add a little more cheese on top. In total, I probably used about 2 to 3 tablespoons of shredded Swiss. On the very top, we're just going to lightly sprinkle some caraway seeds, and these will give it that classic rye bread flavor. And that's all there is to making this delicious Reuben sandwich inspired hot dog. Up next is the Jalapeno Popper Dog. For this hot dog, we're going to make a cheese sauce. You're going to need 1 ounce of cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt or sour cream, 1/8 of a teaspoon of dried ground mustard, and just a pinch of salt. And then microwave for 15 seconds at a time, stirring in between until it's completely melted and slightly bubbly. This one's super simple. The first thing is take your cheese sauce and spread it on the bottom of your bun. I tend to do this with all my hot dog condiments anyways, just because I feel like it makes less of a mess with the hot dog and you get more of the flavor throughout the hot dog. But you can definitely put it on top too. And then I'm just going to take some jalapenos that I've de-seeded and deveined, and I've just sliced them and put them along the side. If you like pickled or roasted jalapenos, those make a great option as well here. Add as many to your heart's content, throw on that dog, and this was honestly just for aesthetics, but you can add some more cheese sauce on top if you so choose. And then finally, we're just gonna add a couple more jalapenos and a sprinkle of toasted panko breadcrumbs for texture. And then feel free to add any extra add-ons that you like. I think some nice crispy chopped up bacon would be really good here. Go crazy. For our white chicken chili dog, we are going to start with another cheese sauce, very similarly. For this one, you're going to need 1 ounce of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of shredded white cheddar cheese, 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt or sour cream, and then you're going to add a pinch of salt and black pepper, as well as 1/8 teaspoon of cumin, 1/8 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/8 teaspoon of paprika. Microwave this for 15 seconds at a time, stirring in between until it's completely melted and slightly bubbly. So once your cheese is all melted, let's spread some cheese sauce on the bottom of our buns. And I will note here that all of these recipes serve roughly 2 hot dogs. They can go a little further if you like very light toppings on your hot dogs though. Go ahead and put your hot dog on. I've opted to use a white hot dog or a chicken-based hot dog because it is a chicken chili recipe. But if all you can find are Red Hots, that's no big deal. And then we're going to sprinkle on some diced onions, some corn. By the way, this is a great way to use any leftover corn if you've been grilling all summer. Sprinkle on some diced jalapenos. And I'm just adding a little bit of extra cheese to the side here. This is optional. To top it off, I'm just adding a sprinkle of corn chips as well as a little bit of freshly chopped cilantro. And that's your white chicken chili hot dog. That's all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you feel inspired to elevate your hot dog game next time you're grilling out. Please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel to get more recipes and other homemaking tips. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.